Good medical morning. This is Pops. He's one of Dr. Sandra Lee's most popular patients. In fact, his video made her page an internet phenomenon on Instagram and YouTube. Let's take a look at some of his pictures. Pops is an 80-plus-year-old patient. Him and his wife were long-term patients of the Dr. Lee family. Here's what Dr. Lee said about the couple. A few years ago, I saw him for the first time in my office all alone. The first thing I asked was where his wife was. He told me she was waiting in the car and didn't want to come in. Apparently, she was having some medical problems. She had a lung disease which made it very difficult and painful for her to breathe. He told me that she didn't want anyone to know about this disease, that she was embarrassed. He said that she was in a lot of pain, but would put on a brave face the next time I saw her. So would I please not mention that he told me of her problems? She didn't want anyone to know. Pops ultimately lost his wife to the lung disease. Afterwards, bills were piling up and he was having a hard time in everyday life. Fans like you participated in a GoFundMe campaign. It wound up raising over $14,000 for the elderly patient. We'll throw the address on the screen. So thanks to everyone who contributed. It was truly a noble effort by popping fans everywhere. So leave Pops, Dr. Sandra Lee, and the crew a comment below, and a thumbs up for their actions. Thanks for watching.
Sometimes I had a hard time falling asleep, especially before big events at work. My mind would race. RESTMORE allows my mind to relax naturally, and it helps me get to bed at the same time every night. Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, RESTMORE.
RESTMORE is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get RESTMORE. Now available on Amazon. Good night.
Alright folks, we're about to play Medical Jeopardy with Jennifer. She has to diagnose 5 different medical conditions in about 10 to 15 seconds each. Jennifer, are you ready?
Sure.
Alright, let's kick this thing off right about now. What is this on the foot?
A wart.
Correct. Want to guess what kind of wart?
Plantar wart.
Yeah, I would have accepted wart or plantar wart. It's also called a palmar wart if it happens to be on the hand. You ready for number 2?
Okay.
You don't seem too excited. What is this?
A scab.
No?
A infected hair follicle.
It's a blackhead. Or a dilated pore, open comedone of sorts. It was in the ear. Her face does not agree. 1 for 2. Next up, what is this?
A cyst.
Yes. It looks like it's infected to me. What do you think?
Looks like it.
Alright, so 2 out of 3. Jennifer dominating this round with a 66.6%. Let's check out number 4. What is this?
An oyster with a pearl?
There you go. That's actually an irritant inside of a pearl that causes the oyster. It's interesting to see it pop. So 3 for 4, 75%. You can Aim for 4 for 5. 4 out of 5. You ready?
Sure.
What bone is broken?
Femur.
Correct. That's actually from a gunshot on a 31-year-old male. Well, folks, we hope you enjoyed this game. Subscribe for new games like this every single week, new videos, and click like if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and stick around, we've got a cool Extractor kit next.
Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone Extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own. Good medical morning. Over the years, we've made a lot of medical videos, but we've never talked about wax removal until now. Let's take a look at some clips.
And literally just pull off. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's taking it off. Can you guys see the hair? I hope you can see the hair. Ew.
Lay the strip right on top of the wax and rip it opposite of the way your hair grows.
Waxing is a form of semi-permanent hair removal, which removes hair from the root. New hair will not grow back in the previously waxed area for 4 to 6 weeks, although some people will start to see regrowth in only a week due to some of their hair being on a different human hair growth cycle.
Direction of hair growth. In one quick motion, hold the skin taut and remove strip in the opposite direction of hair growth, parallel to the skin. Apply firm pressure with your fingers to calm the skin.
Sorry, Cass. So you're just gonna roll it around like that, and then I always push my finger down onto their skin after.
Although uncomfortable to some, waxing is a very effective and efficient hair removal technique. I'll put a link to Amazon's best-selling removal kits in the description below. In the meantime, let's also take a look at something way more relaxing. RESTMORE.
I would like to tell you about RESTMORE, an all-natural sleep aid designed to help you fall asleep and stay asleep. If you're looking for a great natural way to get better quality sleep, please visit buyrestmore.com. Thanks for watching. There's an Amazon link below.
RESTMORE is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get RESTMORE. Now available on Amazon. Good night.